Hello everyone. In this video, I will present you with exclusive information and practical tips on how to visit Miami on a budget. If you want to find out where you can stay cheaply, where to eat cheaply, what to visit for free, and other interesting details about Miami that you probably didn't know, then don't change the channel. To start, here are some curiosities. The city was declared the 5th richest in the world in 2009. The Port of Miami is known as the cruise capital of the world, being the largest cruise port in the world. The subtropical climate ensures pleasant weather all year round, with plenty of sunshine. Miami hosts the largest art exhibition in the world, called the Olympics of Art, Art Basel Miami. To find cheap but clean accommodation in Miami, there are a few areas and options to consider. Miami Beach offers several options of affordable and well-rated hostels in areas located on Collins Avenue and West Avenue with 4- or 5-star ratings that offer modern bedrooms, free Wi-Fi, outdoor pools, rooftop pools, and free breakfast, or apartments for rent in several areas of South Beach, Coral Way, or Flagami with affordable apartments for rent. To find the best deals, it is recommended to book 1 month in advance and avoid February, which is the most expensive period. Keep in mind that Sundays tend to be the cheapest day for bookings. In Miami, you have several efficient and affordable public transportation options. Metromover is a free electric monorail that operates in downtown Miami. Metrorail and Metrobus offer low-cost transportation options to get around Miami. Metrorail is a rapid train system, while Metrobus covers an extensive network of routes throughout the city. In downtown Miami, you can take advantage of free transportation using the trolley and Metrobus. In addition to public transportation, you can also use apps like Uber and Lyft for transportation, which often offer affordable prices. To make planning your trip easier, you can use the official transportation apps or the Miami-Dade Department of Transportation website to check schedules, routes, and real-time updates. There are several options for eating out in Miami. Miami has several Michelin-starred restaurants for good food at affordable prices. With careful planning and choosing the right options, you can find delicious, affordable meals in Miami. Choose restaurants in less touristy neighborhoods or in Little Havana. Look for special offers such as lunch menus that include a free appetizer. Avoid fancy restaurants in touristy areas. Opt for fast food or buy groceries at the supermarket to keep costs down. Look for authentic local restaurants outside of the heavily touristed areas for better prices. Miami offers a variety of free attractions and activities for visitors and locals alike. Here are some popular options: parks and outdoor spaces. Maurice Fair Park is a spacious waterfront park that offers free access to a sandy beach, a large amphitheater, and a children's playground. It's a great place for picnics, relaxing walks, or just taking in the ocean views. Cuban. Memorial Boulevard Park is a narrow grassy area that houses small monuments and an eternal flame in memory of those who fought for Cuba's independence. This park offers a quiet place for reflection and is free to enter. Wynwood Walls is a unique outdoor destination that features large, colorful street murals created by artists from around the world. While there is an admission fee for the main area, many of the artworks can be admired for free as you wander the surrounding streets. The Miami Beach Boardwalk is a 4.3-mile, 7-kilometers oceanfront promenade that's perfect for walking, jogging, or biking. It offers great ocean views and is completely free to visit. While many Miami museums charge admission, some offer free days or hours. Check their website for free days or hours for some popular attractions, like the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. It's recommended to book your tickets in advance. Even on free days, public parks and beaches are generally free and are a great way to enjoy Miami's climate and scenery. Before visiting any attraction, it's always a good idea to check the official website or call for the latest information. On schedules and any admission fees, Miami offers the perfect combination of gorgeous beaches, diverse culture, vibrant art, and attractions for all tastes, making it an ideal vacation destination. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and check out our other travel tips for even more budget-friendly adventures. See you in the next video.